Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Anna Vanila. I am Anna Vanila and I would like to share with you with what I have in this little suitcase. Quite handy, well made. What it is, it's actually core balance massager, a gun massager. It has a couple of attachments. This is one type of attachment, this is another type of attachment. Here in this compartment there are more attachments like so, plastic like this. This it's like two fingers. This is with nodules. I've been using it frequently. It's charged up already, as you can see here. You charge it up and you see these buttons you hold and it starts to vibrate at the low speed, but there are 5 speed and it's called core balance. This is where you plug in the charger, and I usually like to do massage like on my hands and feet, and it's very relaxing. As you can see, it's fantastic. It's almost like it relaxes every piece of you wherever you use it. It's a very good, very efficient tool. I prefer this attachment, round attachment. It's quite heavy, it's sturdy made very sturdy. And because I need a lot, I get obviously aches in my fingers sometimes, and this tool just helps to relax my entire hand, palm of my hand. So this is a tool which you can use on every part of your body to massage. Especially if you've made too much exercise, you might get muscle ache, and this is very good for that kind of reason to use, to give you the relaxation, the healing moment in your body, and it's very good. So I hope you like it. I'm going to switch it off. I hope you like it. You like how I have demonstrated to you. And this is what I use every single day to relax, to get rid of the pain if I have any. And it's a terrific buy. It's not that expensive. It's couple of 10 pounds, so not much. Thank you very much for watching. Love you.